Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here. It's Friday, January 7th. Happy New Year! I have finally made it back to Oregon from the other coast, which means that it is time to take a look at December's Maido in a Box. Let's see what we have in store. Alright, so let's take a look at what's inside Volume 18 Deluxe. If I remember correctly, the theme of this one was Planner's Delight. So obviously, this having come out in December, right before the New Year cutover, very timely thing to have. So, yep, this is definitely all about planning for the new year. So we have our product info cards, which of course I'll scan and put a link to in the description. Looks like some good stuff. Taking a peek at things here. Some of these I think we might have seen before, possibly, but let's go ahead and open up the wrapping paper here. Alright, so this I believe is the Deluxe kit. Yes, it is. Ooh, a lot of extra goodies there. Oh my, is that like a Kinokuniya memo book in there? Looks like it. Take a greater look at that in just a minute. And this should be the standard kit. Looks like a nice set of pens there from Zebra. Yeah, so let's slide things around here and set the box off to the side. And then, of course, we'll start off with our free goodies. So let's move the standard and deluxe kit items off to the side here for just a sec, and let's take a look at our extras. Oh, looks like we got another one of those dip pen things that I probably should figure out how in the world to use by now, because I think this is probably the fourth or fifth one that we have gotten. So I guess Maido's got a lot of these. Boy, wow, this just did not want to open, so let's, I guess, finish destroying the plastic wrapping on that one. And here are our extra goodies for this month. Again, like I said, looks like we have another one of those dip pen things that, again, I really probably should figure out how that works by now. For our ink of the month, it is one from Pilot. We have a Shinkai, which is a nice blue color there. And I did guess right, we do have a little notebook there, a Kinokuniya branded memo sign. Looks like this should probably be a grid notebook. Yes, it is. Oh, and it looks like it's perforated, so easy tear away, blank on the back side. That's nice, man. I don't even think the shopkeepers have something like that. That is a beautiful notebook, actually. And then we have a 2022 Maido and Kinokuniya calendar with, I believe that's a tiger theme, because if I remember correctly, it's Year of the Tiger. Looks like this is a sticker, again, just like last year. So let's slide these items off to the side here. I'll probably actually use that notebook, because again, that's a very, very nice small little notebook there. I'm very impressed with that. And let's get the standard kit going here. Get this opened up. Looks like we have some washi tape in there, another notebook, some pens from Zebra. Let's see, where is the open on this side? All right, there we go. Yeah, you know what? I don't know if Maido changed wrapping or such, or if it's just me, but I can't get these bags to open without disintegrating anymore. I don't know what's going on with that, but oh well. I mean, makes them easier to throw out anyway. So, here are our standard kit items. And first up, let's go ahead and take a look at the pens that we have from Zebra. We have a Sarasa R7 color set, which are those right there. Looks like we got a 0.4 millimeter nib on all of these. 7 colors, nice good variety there. And it is Clippies. Let's see, water-based ink. It's a gel. Could probably refill these, not sure. Not recommended for use on official documents. That's an interesting disclaimer to see. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Let's take a look at this washi paper tape here. This is from Worldcraft. This is masking tape, Tatima's Seasoning, which they recommend for decorating notebooks with. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's kind of like a little kitchen layouts or so there. You got a vase, some wine. Yeah, that looks like a nice little kitchen set. Very cool. So let's take a look at this notebook here. This is a very cool notebook from Stellagi. I've never heard of them before. Made in Japan. Very cool. So, 192 pages. It's apparently a grid notebook. This is for half a year. It's an A6 size. Apparently you can fold it all the way back. Let's see. Grids and dates are grayed out, so not to stand out. So cool. Yeah, if you need a little planner there, there you go. Nice half year one. That feels like pretty good quality. To go along with that, you have some circular masking tape patches, 5mm, which are those, and a handful of color there. I guess you can do that for like, bulleting things to make them stand out some more. Very cool. Oh, and these are made out of paper? Really? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, cool. So, let's set these aside and take a look at our deluxe items. Next, looks like we have a stamp in there, a bunch of stickers, some rulers and such. Yeah, some cool stuff it looks like in here. Let's see, will I get this one in one piece? Hey, there we go. 1 for 3. Alright, so yeah, it looks like a calendar stamp set there, some stickers, notebook template. See these little bookmark things here? Yeah, those look like little bookmarks. Very cool. So, first up, let's take a look at this calendar here. Oh, there's some masking tape stuck to it. I think Maido taped those together. Ooh, that's very sticky. So, from Midori, we have a self-inking stamp calendar. This looks kind of similar to one that we've gotten from Midori before, which I think was cat-themed. So there you go. Basically, it makes a calendar, and you can, highlight what you want for it. So that's very cool. Let's take a look at these stickers here. Looks like we have some Shiba Inu's. This is from Active Corporation, Shibata's Flake stickers. So, nice little set there. Again, I like cats better, but hey, Shiba Inus are cool. I can get behind one of those if you're, a dog person instead. Let's see. So, yeah, this is a little, like, ruler set, and then if you took, like, a pencil, you also got a grid to kind of spice up your journals. This is from SP Takeda, or Vanko. This is the Emotions Notebook template. Very cool. Then we have some more stuff from Midori. These look like they're kind of like little bookmarks. They're almost like those pull-off tabs that we had in a previous box, but these are the index label small size Chirat 24 colors vivid. So if you wanted to, make some tabs that you could easily find a specific page on a notebook, there you go. Good variety of colors. 48 pieces, 2 sheets. Okay, so cool, yeah. That'll definitely last you probably all year. And then finally, from Worldcraft, we have this masking tape that I wonder what tape was on the back of that, because that's stuck to the Midori stamp quite well. Masking tape, 4mm random color. Looks like we have a bright sort of pink color. I'd say almost salmon there. So, there you have it. That is everything from December's Maido in a Box. Again, Sorry that this video is a lot, later than usual, but kind of did want to see the family again for the first time in 4 years. So I hope you'll forgive this one coming out later. But yeah, if you want to get planning for this year, this definitely looks like a good box to pick up if you want to get organized. I will see you again in a few weeks for this month's box, which I believe is being called Loose Leaf Relief. So for now, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.